Spread over, spread over, spread over. Okay, the engaging is come up, everybody, full chase, full chase, full chase, full chase. Get ready, yo, get ready, keep coming up, keep coming up, keep coming up. Get ready. I'm looking on Del's get behind that D tank. Get ready, engaging in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top me. This D tank, kill this thing, kill this D tank, kill this D tank. What the fuck is this damage, bro? Seriously, West Parma. Now watch out, watch out. They're gonna engage. Just spread over here. Fine, defensive, and come back, southeast. Now keep stopping them. I'm gonna fake with my E, okay? I'm gonna fake with my E. Keep fighting.
Even there's a one shot on them.
Okay, fine. Hold. Pause. Come back east. Come back east. Keep coming east. They'll still fight, okay? Keep coming east. Keep coming northeast. Get ready. You guys is looking. Keep coming northeast and watch out. Keep coming northeast and watch out. Keep coming northeast, just stay northeast. Bro, what the fuck? Battle mode, you have to stay inside them. I told you to stay inside them. Why are you playing defensive, bro? Go inside them. Always stay inside them, yes. Get ready. I'm gonna look on the D tanks very soon, okay? I'm gonna look on D tanks. Okay, I'm gonna fake, okay? This is fake. Don't worry, this is fake. Now keep coming up. Don't pass the choke, okay? Don't pass the guard rune on the choke, then pass. Guard rune on the choke, and get ready. I'm looking on the choke. Engage with me, okay? This thing. Anuj, get ready, engage with me. Keep coming south. Cleanses, bro. Get ready. They're gonna engage anytime now. Keep coming southeast. They engage. Get ready, engaging on top of them. In 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Just engage on top. Hesitate. Full run them, bro. Full run them. People are dying like retards, bro. Keep pushing them. Don't stop. Keep pushing them. Keep pushing. What are the defensive and keep pushing. Keep pushing. Try to stop people. Get ready. I'm looking on top of me. On southwest. Anuj, clump them, bro. Get ready. Engage on top in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top me. Big on top me. Please kill this. More damage. Kill Pepito. Now watch out. They're gonna engage now. Spread away. They're gonna engage over here. Just watch out over here. If you're out of position, they're gonna engage. Okay, Anuj, watch out. They're gonna fuck you. Get ready. They're gonna engage anytime now. Just spread away. Nice, they engage. Look at these shitters, bro. Dying so easily. Just come up. Get ready. I'm looking on top me. Engaging in 5, engaging in 4, in 3, up the choke, in 2, even on top me. Big clump on top me. Please kill this, bro. Kill something, bro. More damage. Spread inside them. Come up and spread inside them. Spread inside them. Keep going west. Don't stop. Keep going west. Look at these stoppages, bro. Look at their D tanks. Keep going west. They're gonna engage now. Get ready. After this, we're gonna clump. Get ready. Engaging on the choke. Northwest. Keep coming up. Guard room on the choke, bro. Basics. Now they're gonna look. Don't pass the choke. Hold over here. Okay, engage. Come down the choke. Help my DG come from the choke. Okay, fine. Come southeast. Come southeast. Where's the other party?
Should I catch them?
Yes, try to catch. Try to catch.
They're mounting up. They're running.
Okay, no, just try to catch. How are you guys dying so easily, bro? Seriously? Every D tank died, right? All D tanks died?
These are the out of position D tanks.
Yeah, we got one.
Bro,
Catch
one
them,
is
mount up and catch them. It's a good training. So we have killed nobody till now, right?
Yep.
And Anuj, when are you clumping them, bro? You have to either engage with me or before me, if I'm looking. So they understand the fake. They were zoned in, right? Oh, find me.
अरे तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो? वो लोग
तुम एंगेज किया,
तुम लोग उधर पार्टी छोड़ के जा रहा है, इधर ये लोग मार रहा है. क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग?
पागल हो क्या भाई? साथ में रहो ना. कहीं और क्यों जा रहे हो? वो बुड्ढे engaged or what?
हाँ.
क्यों
मतलब तुम सब
Okay, hold. Just hold.
भाई पूछे हैं क्या ये लोग?
Just come south. Keep coming south. Watch out. Keep coming south. South, bro. South. Hello, who's extended over there? Come south. How many do we have? We still have a disarray, right? How many people in party 2? Just stay here.
From party 2.
Huh?
8 dead from party.
Okay, fine. Get ready. You gonna
Hello.
Q's and
kill these
W's on
mobs. this mob, kill this mob, kill this mob. Bro, when I told you to follow me, why were you so ahead with them, bro? Reflect.
क्या ये लोग स्टॉपेज दे रहा है, तुम भाग रहे हो अपना
Okay,
पार्टी छोड़ के.
okay, watch out, get ready. Come east, don't aggro that mob. Come east. Come east, watch out. Fighter case, watch out. They're gonna look on you, okay? Fighter case, watch out. Fighter case, watch out. They're gonna look. Get ready. I'm looking on top in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1 on top. Engage on top. More damage. Kill this, bro. Where the fuck is damage, bro? No, spread over here. Spread. Spread, they're gonna engage. Spread, engage. Defensive. Now spread. Go inside them. Don't stop. Go inside them. Get ready. I'm looking on. Engage on top in 5 seconds. Keep coming up. Keep pushing them. Keep pushing them, bro. Come. No. Keep coming up. Get ready. Engage on top in 5. Okay, I'm gonna fake. Don't engage. I'm gonna fake. Keep coming up, not. Get ready. Engage on top in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Just engage on top. Engage on that. More damage. Defensive now. Defensive. Keep pushing. Keep killing Mughals. Keep killing Mughals. Keep pushing them. Keep killing Mughals. Keep pushing. Get ready. I'm gonna engage on top in 5. Keep coming north in 4. Engaging in 3. Engaging in 2. Engaging in 1 on top. Just engage on top. Engage on top. Defensive and engage. Keep pushing them. Keep pushing. Bro, तुम्हारा engage इतना slow है ना? They engaged even when I was calling, bro, and they killed. Oh my god, keep pushing now. Get ready, they are full low, they don't have healers. Keep pushing. 5 seconds, I'm gonna engage. Defensive now. Get ready, engaging in the back line. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1 on top. Just engage on top. Just engage on top. Keep pushing now. Keep pushing. Don't stop. Keep pushing. Bro, देख लो पहले करना है अनुज, बहुत लेट कर रहे हो. Keep pushing. Look at this healer value. I've locked it. Keep killing that healer. Only healer. And watch out, they're gonna engage now. Okay, watch out, they're gonna engage now. Get ready. I'm looking not. Get ready. Let them engage, we counter, okay? Rezi and Giga get ready, okay? Get ready. We pop Rezi and Giga, then we engage. Now ready, defensive. And engage on top me. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On top me. Just engage on top me. More damage. Now try to kidnap people and Qs and Ws. Take clear by clap and kite. Not able to catch them. Keep Qs and Ws. Don't pass the choke now. Don't pass the choke and hold. Don't pass the choke. Defensive. More heals. Dropping duty, more heals. And keep pushing now. Keep pushing. Where the fuck is half of my party, bro? Who are these people, bro? In West? Bro, why are you guys in West? Hello? Bro, can you hear me? Hello? Spread away. Okay, spread away. He's looking now. That's an engage. Defensive get ready. Okay, defensive get ready. Come up. Everybody come up. Get ready. I'm gonna look on Sasopi. Okay, see the D-tank? See this carving? Get ready. Engaging on that carving in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Just engage on top. More damage. Now watch out. They're gonna headbutt. Watch out. That's an engage. Defensive. Nice demon, guys. Now get ready. Keep pushing them. Look at their GA, bro. This is how you stop. Okay, we need to stop their engages as well. GA, sip defensive kill. Heal people. Heal hello. Okay, heal and watch out. They're coming back. Okay, watch out. They're gonna look now. That's an engage. That's an engage. Defensive now. Full run through them. Run through them. Get ready. Find me. Engaging on top of me. In the back line. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1 on me. Engage on top. More damage, bro. More damage. Now watch out. Get ready and spread. Spread away. Run through them and keep spreading. Get defensive. That's an engage. Defensive. Now find me. Come up. Everybody come up. Don't pass in the line, bro. Don't pass in the line. Guard rooms when you see bedrocks. So people can pass. Get ready. I'm gonna fake. This is fake. Don't engage. This is fake. Now get ready. I'm gonna engage on Sasopi. You see Sasopi? Get ready. Engaging in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top me. Defensive. Okay, we are done. Come south, please. We are done. See, you saw your level, right? You guys saw your level, right? We didn't even kill one person, right? Now come south.
Killed one. I got the perma kill.
Killed one person.
Okay.
I got the perma kill.
Just come southeast. Southeast and use your shoes and mount up. Mount up.
It's not a
We
friendly.
continue the fight, Alal. We're still equal numbers, bro.
Nah, bro, we don't. Bro, okay, hold. Let me see.
We
I
have
don't have a
21.
single. I just
Regeared
have
and
one
came.
D10,
People
bro.
regeared and
They
came.
regeared
Okay,
and
they
came.
regeared and came. Okay, regroup here. I'm gonna say we are regrouping.
Uh, some
Also,
of them are
look at the map, bro.